boys and girls, this is question number 5, fifth sub question. Question is in front of you. If you observe the question again, LHS consists only tan and RHS consists only sec. As usual, we begin with our LHS, mention the LHS, and now start to think which should be the first step so that we can get only sec. Very first, I can turn the tan square alpha into the sec, correct? But over here we have tan 4 alpha also, tan raised to 4 alpha. So best way, before turning tan square alpha into the identity, okay, we will try to take out some common terms that will make our sum easier to solve further. So if you take out common tan square alpha from tan raised to 4 alpha, it will result in only tan square alpha, and as this is removed, it will be replaced by 1. So in short, we have tan square alpha as a common, and then in bracket it will leave tan square alpha plus 1. Okay, and now we can apply the identity, correct? The identity is 1 plus tan square alpha equal to sec square alpha, right? So this part can be written as sec square alpha, and this tan square alpha can be turned into shifted or turned identity, right? If we turn this 1 towards the sec square alpha, it goes in negative. So why to turn it into identity? Reason is we require only sec in the RHS, if you have observed it, and to turn, that is why we are turning all the terms over here in the LHS into sec. So let's begin with it. If you turn, that tan square alpha will result in sec square alpha minus 1, and the second bracket will be a plain identity. So we have sec square alpha minus 1 in the first bracket, and second bracket sec square alpha. And the best way to solve this is nothing but fountain method of multiplication, the way I told you. And if you carry out the multiplication, that results in sec square alpha minus sec square alpha, and that is what we needed to prove. I guess this is the second easiest sum of this exercise, in which within 3 to 4 steps we got the answer. That is what our RHS is. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. Girls, now we'll solve sub question 6 of question number 5. Question is in front of you. The question consists 2 fractions on the LHS and 1 normal term, that is 2 sec square alpha in the RHS. Okay, as usual, we'll write LHS first, and observation will tell us how to proceed further. That our action plan. Okay, as we are given with 2 fraction, we know how to operate on the 2 fraction by LCM method. LCM method says multiplication, here also multiplication, and down also multiplication. If you remember that I taught you few sums before. So as a result, we have in the numerator 1 plus sin alpha into 1 will result in same, plus sign will remain plus, and 1 minus sin alpha again will be written as it is. This is what the numerator we got. And in the denominator, if you observe, we will get 2 brackets with the multiplication sign. First bracket consisting 1 minus sin alpha, and second bracket consisting 1 plus sin alpha. Okay, now observe the numerator. In the numerator we have 1 plus sin alpha, correct, over here, and we have 1 minus sin alpha, so they can be striked out. Okay, and down if you observe, we have a plus b, a minus b, the famous identity a square minus b square. So as we receive the clues, what we need to do, let's begin. Let's carry out the operation that we thought. We can strike out sign, right? And bottom we have a square minus b square, that will result 1 minus sin square alpha. And in the numerator, that we were left with 1 over here, 1 over here. Both have same sign, so of course addition will take place. That results in 2. So half of the sum is already done by us. Bottom, I mean to say in the denominator, we have turned identity. 1 minus sin square alpha will give you answer cos square alpha, and if you write it, you have almost done the sum there. The way we wrote over here, 2 upon cos square alpha, this 1 upon cos alpha is nothing but the sec alpha, right? So 1 upon cos square alpha can be turned into sec square alpha, as we know they are inverse of each other, and that is what we needed to prove, and that is equal to our RHS. If you have any doubt, you are most welcome in the comment section below.